Game failing to initialize because of the Direct3DX10 DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's sync your multimedia environment and get you back to gaming.
Before we start the Direct3DX10 configuration, consider using the diagnostic resource below to maintain a clean system state. This is the Direct3DX10, Update 48, an unmanaged DirectX 10 extension library. It provides advanced routines for high-resolution texture processing, managing the visual data link for modern Windows Vista and 7-era game manifests.
With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again.
D3DX1048 is often associated with game graphics and audio processing. Reinstall the Microsoft DirectX End-User Runtime to restore legacy DirectX files, and update your GPU drivers for OpenCL, OpenGL, or CUDA support.
If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your applications directory.
A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Direct3DX10 file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting.
Since the restart didn't reset the service, we'll manually trigger the refresh now. If you need to pause the video anytime during these instructions, go ahead. If you still see the error after restarting, then your DirectX environment needs a manual update and you must use the DirectX June 2010 redistributable to fill in the missing library gaps. This tool is designed to restore compatibility for older graphics APIs that are no longer supported by standard Windows update cycles. Why are we doing this? Well, corrupted graphics metadata often prevents the OS from loading older library versions, and this manual setup forces a clean deployment of the required binaries. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files.
Do not compromise your computer's health by sourcing Direct3DX10 DLL from random internet mirrors, which often harbor hidden tracking scripts designed to bypass standard antivirus protocols.
Let's conclude by looking at how a system maintenance utility can help keep your performance optimized and your libraries synchronized.
For long-term system reliability, the repair resource linked in the description includes information on managing Direct3DX10 references. I'm Sophie Chen. If we've successfully stabilized your environment and resolved Direct3DX10 error, please subscribe and join our community of technical professionals.